I'm Spooky Kisses, and I'm married to Rich Perry. He's a filmmaker and producer based out of Concord, New Hampshire. And we're currently working on a TV show called Spooky Kisses Haunts. Recently, disaster struck. We were on the road for about 30 days filming our first season of the show. Our pilot is currently streaming on Amazon Prime, by the way. After all our film shoots were complete, we were horrified to discover that there was massive corruption on the RAID 5 drive RAID we were using, and also about 2 of the 40 backup magnetic hard disks that we needed to recover from. We were also corrupted. So anyways, my husband tried everything, multiple backups, software and tools, but nothing was recoverable. My husband reached out to Pitt's Global Data Recovery Services in New York. They walked him through their process. He overnighted 2 hard disks, like this, ta-da! And they got him the next day to their facility. And after they reviewed, they called back and assured that they would be able to recover the data. And you know as well as I do, if you make films or you make TV shows, you can't replace this data so easily. When I thought it was all lost, and we were so petrified and so afraid that we didn't think we were ever going to get that data back, we were overjoyed at Pitt's Global Data Recovery, right? We're so grateful to you, and I bet you've never seen a disc infomercial like this.